Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a dominant market leader which Samir Arora has disclosed he's long on. Now, for those of you who do not know Samir Arora, he is the founder and fund manager of Helios Capital and is a highly respected name in the Indian stock markets. Please watch this video to know more. Now, the company in question is the bellwether of the Indian auto industry, and that is Maruti Suzuki India Limited. The price for it is 7,439.50 and the face value for it is 5. Symbol for it is MARUTI. Now, Maruti Suzuki India Limited is a holding company engaged in the manufacture, purchase and sale of motor vehicles, components and spare parts. The other activities of the company comprise facilitation of pre-owned car sales, fleet management and car financing. Now, quizzed on the recent television interview about any of the auto names that he would be bullish on after they are getting thrashed, he said that Helios had Maruti. Maruti is a dominant company, and even though it has fallen a lot, he has been holding it for the last 5 to 6 years and is comfortable owning it. He also disclosed that he was mostly short on the other auto stocks. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, the company was consolidating for the majority of the year. However, after that, it seemed to fall off a cliff. It tried its hands at course correction. However, it could not sustain. The company has a market cap of 2,24,732.46 crores, which means that the company is a large cap one. The EPS of 261.41 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 28.46, which is slightly more expensive when compared with the industry PE of 25.78. The price to book ratio of 5.38 is also slightly high. The company has a current ratio of 0.49, which is indicative of how well the company is able to meet its obligations. The dividend yield here is 1.08%, whereas the promoter holding is just slightly above average at 56.21%. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.